In this video, we will learn how to make local GST sales invoices in tallyprime. When we sell goods or products to a party of the same state, then this sales is called local sales, and CGST and SGST are charged on such local sales. So in this video, we are going to make local sales invoices with automatically calculated CGST and SGST amount. So let's begin. To make sales entry, we have to go to vouchers. So let's go to the vouchers. After that, we have to select sales voucher. Shortcut key of sales voucher is F8. So we will press F8 here. Now we are at sales voucher. Here you can see that the invoice number is 1 and the date is 31/5/2025. Let's suppose invoice date is 1st June 2025. Then we will change this date by pressing F2 key. We have to fill 1/6/2025 here and press enter key. So you can see that date has been changed. Now here at reference number, we can fill the invoice number here. So let's fill invoice number here 1. Date will be the same, 1 June 2025. Now here we have to select party. We have already created these parties, which you can see here in this drop down list. If you want to create a new party, then we can go to create and press enter key. Here we can create the party, which is our Sunday dater. Let's suppose party name is PQR Private Limited. Then we have to fill PQR Private Limited here in the name. And press enter key. In under, we have to select Sunday daters and press enter key. Let's suppose we want to maintain bill by bill balances, then we will keep it yes. If we don't have default credit period, then we can keep it blank. Check for credit days during voucher entry, we will keep it no. Name will be the same, press enter key. Let's suppose party address is 1234 New Delhi, state is Delhi. Let's fill the PIN code. Provide bank details, we will keep it no. PAN IT number, it's not mandatory, it's optional, so we are keeping it blank. Registration type will be regular. Here we have to fill the GST number of this party, so let's fill it. You can see the warning here. This warning is appearing here because we have filled demo GST number here. If we fill real GST number, then we won't see this warning. Let's press enter key here again. Again we have to press enter key to accept this. If you want, you can also provide dispatch details here. For now we are skipping them. Let's press Ctrl A key. Again press Ctrl A key. Here you have to create sales ledger. We have already created some sales ledger. Let's select this ledger, sales ledger. Let's see how we have made it. If you want to create sales ledger, then you have to press Alt C key, and after that you have to type sales account here. In under, you have to select sales accounts. Type of ledger will be not applicable. Include in assessable value calculation will be not applicable. GST applicability will be applicable. You have to select applicable here. In HS and SSC details, we have to select H per company group. In GST rate details, we have to select H per company group. Type of supply will be goods. And after that we have to press enter key several times and save this ledger. We have to fill items here. We have already created these items. Let's suppose we are selling item A, then we will select this item. If you want to create a new item, then we have to press Alt C here and type the name. In our case it's item A. If you don't want to put this item under any group, then you have to select primary here, and after that you have to select the units. In our case it's pieces. GST applicability will be applicable. In under HS and SSC details, we have to select specify details here. We have to fill HS and number of this item here. In GST rate details, we have to select specify details here. After that, we have to select taxability in taxability type. Then we have to fill GST rate. In our case, it's 18%. Then we have filled 18 here. In type of supply, we have to select goods, and we have to press enter key several times to save this stock item. After selecting item, we have to fill the quantity which is being sold. Let's suppose 50 quantity of item is being sold to PQR Private Limited. Then we will fill 50 here. Let's suppose rate is 100 rupee per piece. Then we will fill 100 here. We can select another item here, but we don't have any other item. If you don't have any other item, then we can press enter key. After that, we have to select GST ledger. Our sales is local as our company is situated in Delhi and this party is also situated in Delhi. So we will charge CGST and SGST here. Let's select CGST ledger first. Select it and press enter. You can see CGST amount of 450 has been automatically calculated here, which is 9% of 5000. If you want to make CGST ledger, then you have to press Alt C here. After that, you have to fill CGST in the name and press enter key. You have to select duties and taxes here. Type of duty tax will be GST, so we will select GST here. Tax type will be CGST. Percentage of calculation will be 0%. In rounding off, we have to select not applicable and press enter key to save this ledger. After CGST, we have to charge SGST, so we will select SGST here and press enter key. You can see SGST amount of 450 has also been automatically calculated. Now press enter key and we have to press enter key again. If you want, you can add narration here. For now, we are skipping it. And now we have to press enter key to accept this voucher screen. Let's press page up key. Our sales invoice has been made. Now we have successfully made sales invoice in tallyprime with automatically calculated CGST and SGST. So in this video we have learned how to make local sales invoice with automatically calculated GST amount in tallyprime. Subscribe to this channel for more such regular videos.